90s and in the 80s, there were some beliefs that Indian parents had, and we do respect them for their experience and their wisdom and for how we all turned out, which was great. But there are some of those beliefs which are considered toxic today. One, बच्चे को किसी ना किसी का तो डर होना चाहिए, वो ज़रूरी है. And this is something my grandmother even said. But this is not really true. डर से कोई बात हासिल हुई ही नहीं है. You cannot teach lessons out of fear because what the child learns is only fear and not the lessons. And coming to the second point, spare the rod and spoil the child. A lot of kids in the 70s, 80s, 90s were brought up by getting a good spanking. And it was believed that spanking is what will discipline kids and teach them right from wrong. When you do spank your children or when you're strict with them, and when you do not spare the rod, what they learn is fear. They do not learn the lesson out of it. They understand that something's gone wrong, but what have I done wrong and how do I correct it and what is the right way to do that, and to remember all of this for next time does become a problem. So avoid the spanking at all costs. Next one is Sharma ji ke bete to. Okay, so this is comparison, which is the mother of all evils, and this is something our generation also tends to do. We always have heard growing up from the 70s, 80s and 90s, उसका बेटा तो ये करता है, तुम क्यों नहीं करते? उसकी बेटी तो ये करती है, तुम क्यों नहीं करते? And this has gone on for the ages. But everybody's path is different, everybody's journey is different, and comparing is not going to solve anything or do anything productive. So do not compare. Honor your child's journey and respect their strengths and weaknesses. Next one is गाय का दूध पीने से हट्टे कट्टे होते हैं. This one is a big myth apparently, because today most pediatricians, when you ask them about cow's milk, are almost grateful if you don't feed your child cow's milk. They say that it's almost a myth that cow's milk is the one that gives you vitamin D and calcium. No, if your child has a wholesome nutrition and is having wholesome good food every day, then cow's milk is not necessary. Next thing, not apologizing or saying sorry. बड़े लोग sorry नहीं बोलते हैं. This was a blind fear of authority that we grew up with and were taught, whether it's parents, teachers, elders, anybody. Do not speak up against them. Do not question their, beliefs. Do not question them even if they are wrong. And parents, never used to apologize to kids when they made mistakes. But what happens when a parent or a teacher apologizes to a child when they make mistakes? Something powerful stirs within. The child learns that it is okay to be vulnerable. Even if authority is vulnerable, that it's okay for me to make mistakes and it's okay for me to apologize. We must learn from our mistakes, not sit and wallow in them, and it's not the end of the world. So, well, here are a few things that our generation is trying to change. So, salute to all the parents who are trying to make that change. And going forward, let's, break all the toxic patterns and bring about better and better parenting in the generations to come. This is Unfiltered Mama signing off, not prescribing, just describing. All the best.